Listen up, English has a tiny little key, small words, big meaning, articles, A in the let's break it down. Nice and easy. I got a tiny trick, a small English key. Articles help you say what you mean clearly. A and the. Two helpers you always see. One is new, one is known, easy as can be. A or N, when something is new. The when it's clear, when both of you knew. No A for plurals, that's how it goes. English is simple, now everybody knows. When something is new, you've never seen it before, you say A or N, that's the rule at the core. A cat, a book, an apple in your hand. First time you mention, that's how you tell the land. A or N, when something is new. The when it's clear, when both of you knew. No A for plurals, that's how it goes. English is simple, now everybody knows. But when the thing is clear, both to you and me, we switch to thee. It's specific, you see. The book on the table, the cat by the door. We know which one we mean, we've said it before. But hey, there's a moment that feels kind of funny. You could use A, but plurals take your money. First time you see them, you simply go, I see cat. No A, cause it's more than one, yo. Later, you know them? Cool, now you're free. The cats are sleeping, cause now they're known to me. A or N, when something is new. The when it's clear, when both of you knew. No A for plurals, that's how it goes. English is simple, now everybody knows. Yeah, tiny words, but they open every door. Now you know the basics, A and N the more. Part 1 is done, you mastered the flow. Part 2 is coming next. Get ready to go.